Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 tips about shading smooth shadow. The first tip is about the brush. You should choose the appropriate size of brush. If your brush is small, you won't get smooth shadow. So, you should use a small brush for small parts and use big brush for shading large parts. Tip number 2. You should shade layer on layer. Tip number 3. Shade from darkness to lightness. Tip number 4. When you want to shade a particular part, you should shade with a fixed hand pressure. Tip number 5. The last but not the least is about pressing the brush. Don't press the brush on the paper. If you press the brush on the paper, you won't get a smooth shadow, and you will also ruin the texture of the paper. Move the brush with a low pressure. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please tap the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Enjoy drawing.